one, Johnny G, Naked Racing Motor Co. Beautiful day. We thought we'd drag out a bike. And here we are with our beautiful 2005 Softail Deluxe. So the story was that the knucklehead, or the Harley Davidson, was so popular. That was the epitome of the American motorcycle look. It was a look that everybody loved. But Harley Davidson went through all the big baggers and all the choppers and everything. They realised that there was a real market for rigid-looking frame. And that is where the Softail frame was born. And as you can see, the bike looks like a rigid. There are no shocks visible. But they put 2 pull shocks underneath. And it gave a beautiful ride. And the bike looked traditional, looked like an FL from 47. The Deluxe is a variation on that. So the Softail Harley Davidson was born in 1984. And it was to make a very traditional-looking bike, the rigid-looking frame, clean the lines up, and like long fork on. And then they brought out the Heritage, which was basically the same as this, the wide forks, short wide forks with covers. In 2005, Harley Davidson brought out the Deluxe, which is really a custom version of that. Shorter indicators, tombstone tail like a pine head. A lot of little details. The seats have got special stitching. There's a backrest. Traditional style colours. Spot lamps, chrome, switch block covers. Just a lot of detail, a lot of chrome parts, fancy foot pedals, fancy footboards. Just a very clean looking and customised Softail Harley Davidson. Very popular and very pretty to look at. This particular one that we have has got a Screaming Eagle top end. So traditionally they have a 1690 engine in them. And this one has got a big bore kit, the Screaming Eagle big bore kit on it, which is quite an upgrade, and it gets along quite well. This particular bike's done 20,000 kilometres from you, and it's in lovely condition. As you can see, the crane is perfect, the paint is perfect, and it'll make a lovely bike for somebody to go cruising on the weekends. If you're interested in a bike like this, come and see us at Naked Racing Motor Co, where we have this bike and others. Get your butt on one. Okay, well, let's get this thing out of the road and see how it goes. Okay, thanks for watching, everybody. Hope you enjoyed our segment. Remember to like, follow, and share, and we'll see you in the next one.